me show if you're stuck on the fractions. So I'm going to draw 5 points. There's no phase shift in this problem because there's no parentheses. Okay, even though it tells me 2 pi over 3, I'm going to circle that because that's my answer. I'm going to double both the numerator and denominator. What do I get?
4 pi over 3.
And this might work, using a denominator of 6 for all of them. So this is 0 pi over 6. Class, what's 4 plus 0?
4.
And 4 divided by 2.
2.
That gives me the midpoint, 2 pi over 6. Class, what's 0 plus 2? 2 divided by 2. 1 pi over 6. Let's see if we get lucky and there's a pattern. 0, 1, 2, 3 pi over 6. So if you're struggling with the fractions, you can always double it or double it again. So you can also use 8 pi over 12. And that'll help you find the rest of the fractions. You just have to go back and reduce them. So this is 0. I can't reduce this one. Class, I reduce this to?
Pi over 3.
Pi over 2.
And pi over 2.
Pi over 2.
Okay, we found our intervals. Let's go ahead and get our 5x values. So my x values are 0, pi over 6, pi over 3, pi over 2, and 2 pi over 3. Now, if I multiply these by 3 now, 3 times that number is I get 0. 3 times pi over 6 is 3 pi over 6, and 3 pi over 6 is pi over 2. 3 times pi over 3 is 3 pi over 3, which is pi. Class, what am I getting here? The quadrantals. Raise your hand if you got that. Alright, let's keep going. Now I need to make cosine of these values. What's cosine at 0? Is it 0? 1, 0, negative 1, 0, 1. Okay, pay attention, right? We're going right to left. Now I need to multiply by negative 2. Let's multiply this by negative 2. Negative 2 times this number, or our previous line, which is
Negative 2.
And the new one today is the vertical shift. So now we're going to add 3. This is adding 3. Okay? Class, what math operation are we doing? Adding 3. So if I add 3 to negative 2, 3 plus a negative 2 gives me 1. 3 plus 0. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 0. 3 plus negative 2.
1.
Let's graph this now. Look ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 pi over 6 gives me 3. 5, 3, 1. Class, are we going to draw a V here? I'm going to have to take off a point. Looks like a bucket. So think about your graph. I have a horizontal compression because it's really 1 over B. I have a amplitude vertical stretch of 2, and then the negative reflected over the x-axis, so it should be down here, it comes back up, and then we just push the graph up 3 units.